Hi everyone, Paul back here, Aging Hippie. I'd like to take us back a little bit from my last video. The last video was 1972, when I was 16 going on 17. I said I wouldn't do this in chronological order, so I'm going back now to 1964. Massive year for me. Possibly one of the biggest years of my life. My mother divorced my real father, who wasn't a nice man. He went to jail. And after living as a single mother with a family for a short couple of years, maybe a little bit longer, she met a man, fell in love with him, and he became my dad. I was 10 years old, and possibly he was the most influential figure I have ever met in all my life. He took us on. He already had a family, but he took us on, called us his sons and his daughter, and I know he loved me like I loved him. It was 1964. Now, things were happening in the world. In 1964, America was not far off their entering the Vietnam War, just a year later. Cassius Clay, later became Muhammad Ali, won the World Championship for the first time, beating Sonny Liston. Possibly the greatest boxer there's ever been. And the start of what they called the British invasion began in that year. The Beatles went over to America, were seen live on American TV for the first time ever, and like I say, the rest is history. Now, the song I'm going to share with you today was an old folk song, revamped. Some say it dates back to the 16th century, but this song made a massive impact on a lot of people worldwide. It's the Animals, and it's the House of the Rising Sun, and the soulfulness that comes out of the voice of the lead singer Eric Burdon is absolutely unbelievable. So here we go, House of the Rising Sun.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. In God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor.
we enjoyed that. Part way through there, when they started the um, organ solo, I almost shed a tear thinking back to my old dad and those great times. Now, a little bit of advice for the younger generation. Let me take these off. I don't know whether uh, your parents, like my parents, when you're listening to music, you say, turn it down, you're going to go deaf. And to me, I think music should be listened to as loud as possible. Now, they were right. I did go deaf, or partly deaf, not completely. But it was put right by these. And the thing is with these, they're hearing aids, obviously, is they're Bluetooth. Guess what? Spotify now plays music in my ears, direct, at a very loud, very loud, and a very good sound quality. So, your choice. Listen to your parents or do what I did. Enjoy the music. Anyway, that's about enough for me. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me put my new hat on. Hope you enjoyed this one. Don't know what I'm going to do next, but it'll be something good. It'll be something that is possibly a turning point in my life, or I don't know. I've not chosen yet, but I will do, and that'll be up tomorrow. Okay? So take care. Listen to your music as loud as you possibly think is good. Okay? Bye bye.